How to add text to speech in Canva. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add text to speech on Canva. Well, the thing here is, the first thing is, you cannot directly add the text to speech through the text options. You'll have to utilize the Canva AI feature. So within the Canva, you should be able to find the Canva AI feature. So you can get the Canva AI. You can proceed to use that particular feature in order to create the voice to text here. So let me show it to you again here. You can see the AI feature. You can use the AI feature to create simply type it in here. I want text to speech, and you can utilize this. However, you will need to have the Canva Pro to do so, to utilize the AI feature. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.